And then for your run day, right, for anybody that you didn't get booked, those wrong numbers, right, if there's a gap in your schedule, you're going to get your door knocks ready, because now you know the area you're going to be running your appointment. So you need to have all those bad numbers that goes on your door knock stack. Goes on your door knock stack. So in between all those appointments, you're going to be door knocking, and you're either going to try to run the appointment right then or try to get them scheduled to run it. And you're definitely going to update the contact information. It's like step one is, oh, I had an old phone number. What's your new one? Right. And you're going to get that contact information, because if they don't book with you, guess what you're going to do? You're going to call them, and now you got a good number that you can reach them at. So you're going to fill in the gaps with the door knocks. Now, a lot of training on door knocks. Where's my stickies? Like these things here, these yellow stickies. Oh, there's a glare here. So let's see. There we go. Yellow stickies. I use these for everything. Everything. When I'm on a door knock and they don't want to book. They don't want to book the appointment. Okay, fine. Let's get you scheduled, right? Let's say they don't want to, or say they don't want to do it right now, but I can book them. I'll take this delivery notice and I keep them on the bottom of my clipboard, just kind of laid out like little individual ones with my name and number already filled out. And I'm like, let me give you an appointment notice. And I pick up the leads off and I was like, shoot, I'm out of appointment notices. Let me just use this. And I take this yellow sticky and I mark out the word delivery and I write appointment. And over here, I mark out the word delivery and I write appointment. And then I write down their name, the day and the time we scheduled the appointment for, my contact information, and I hand it to them. It's like, it's sticky on the back, put it on your fridge so you don't forget me, because I'm coming back on Friday at 10 a.m. So now they have something in their hand. They're less likely to forget me. Y'all, there's nothing more annoying than booking someone from a door knock, showing up back out there later, and they're not there. I'm like, I was just at your house 2 days ago, right? So you give them something in their hand, something tangible. If they don't want to book at all, if they're just like not interested, I did that years ago, they throw all kinds of stuff at you. Okay, no problem. I get it. So in order to decline all the cash benefits for your family, in order to decline all those programs, I just need you to sign right here. And I draw a line on the lead and I handle my clipboard. So just sign your name right there that you're declining all cash benefits for your family. Y'all, when you say something like that, they're like, oh, what do you mean declining all cash benefits? Right? Well, let's schedule an appointment and go through what that looks like for you. Right? It causes them to pause. Like, what am I turning down here? What is it that I'm really, let me take a minute, and because they don't know who we are. We try to explain at the door, but if you're like at my house, I get the lawn guy shows up, the roofer guy show up, like people knock on the door, Girl Scouts show up. I like them. But people show up and knock on your door, right? So it may make them pause. If it doesn't, they're like, fine. And they sign it. Guess what they get? Yellow sticky. So I'm like, okay, so you've declined all the benefits for your family. So this is very important, Jake. If you ever want to reinstate your request, you have to call me directly. Let me give you a contact notice. And I lift up all the leads on my clipboard. I was like, shoot, I'm out of contact notices. Let me use this instead. And I'll just take this little delivery notice. I mark out delivery and say contact notice. And I put their name. I put the date and time that they declined all their benefits. And I put my contact information here. And I reiterate. So it's very important, if you ever want to reinstate this request for cash benefits for your family, you call me directly. I don't know if we can get you reinstated otherwise. And I give them a yellow sticky. So that's how I use the yellow sticky. Then, of course, if they're not home, we all know what we do. We fill it out and we leave it on the door. That's what we do. So I can't tell you how valuable. If you guys don't have like a case of yellow stickies, you're not using them effectively. You're just not. Like, I give these for so many things. So